Good morning, professors. Dear professor, I'm Sumana, registered number 2021 MRAS 047. This is my seminar paper 2 presentation. My topic is a historical study of the Buddha Vasa. Buddha Vasa is the chronology of the Buddha. The Buddha's intra-Vada test. It was written in Buddhist style, about 25 Buddhas, biography, and 28 chapter. English created your work, Sumita Pantes, 25 Buddha, 28 Buddhas, and Kappa. Finally, distribution of Buddhas realized. Buddha Vasa is believed, according to traditional belief, as recited by the Buddhas. The commentary also approves that, but scholars identify it as the later work. This literature review post, K. Norma, Odabas, PC Law, Oliver Ambeneyake, P.R. Radana. All these works are talking about Buddha Vasa, but not exact is so. My research problem is to what extent does the later Pali literature support to identify on the period of Buddha Vasa. This is qualitative research, qualitative data from the later Pali literature and scholarly works related to them for primary sources, and relevant scholarly work are utilized as secondary sources. The methods are library-based, textual-based, analytical, and review scholar works and academic paper. My objective is to focus on the time of Buddha Vasa. Limitation of this study is whether Theravada tradition, according to later Pali literature, Vimte Siddhani, Buddha Vasa, Mohavisidhani, and Anagadasa Vasa. Also, this study is focused only on the period of Buddha Vasa. This is I reduce my topics because my topic is very general, is what. This is the period of Buddha Vasa in later Pali literature. Later Pali literature. Here we the later Pali literature are the four works composed by Kasapas, Mohavisidhani, Vimte Siddhani, Buddha Vasa, and Anagadasa Vasa. According to Kanda Vasa is Sasana Vasa, Kaspa is the native of India, and Tamilarata. Mohavisidhani is the commentary of Abhidhamma. It is Abhidhamma Matikata Vanana. The period of the war is shown by BTS Radical Society and torn through Third century CE. Vimte Siddhani also Vimte Vinodani Tika is known as the exposition of Vinaya Athakatha sub-commentaries. The war is divided to 1,700 to 1,800 Buddha eras. It is equal to 30th century BC according to Dhammacariya Myanmar dictionary description. Anagadasa Vasa is according to Visuddhimagga, sun passage is C. So Anagadasa Vasa is considered as the early Buddhist death. But here, according to Hot, Anagadasa Vasa is written by Brahma Bahu Mahatira at the request of K. Brahma Bahu for the 40th century CE. Buddha Vasa this Buddha Vasa is considered as the Vasa of Kasapat. But Malala Sigira opinion is that the Buddha Vasa and Kanda Vasa see to repent to Anagadasa Vasa. A Bami edition of Kanda Vasa, that Vasa is used instead of Buddha Vasa. Overall, the four works of Kasapa and Kubo Avatar, 10th century BC, it is very fun to relate it to the Buddha Vasa. Buddha Vasa through Dipa Vasa. Here Dipa Vasa is not textual text. Scholar views. I mean, Dipa Vasa is Kubo in 4th century. Some scholars say it is 5th century BC. According to Odaba, it had not been written before that's 300 CE. So we consider that Dipa Vasa is Kubo between 4th century CE and 5th century CE. According to BC, Buddha Vasa is the model of Dipa Vasa. The model of Dipa Vasa. Malala Singara said that Buddha Vasa is the former of the later chronicle like Mahavasa and Dipa Vasa. Mahavasa and Dipa Vasa. Also, he said that the fourth Nikaya is complete in the third concept, but Kotaka Nikaya is the account. So therefore, we consider that the Buddha Vasa is estimated after the Buddhist concept before the Dipa Vasa, or another way between 2nd century BC and 3rd century CE. This Buddha was the rule. This is the period Buddha was the rule is that means the chapter of distribution or Dhatu the chapter of Dhatu Pajiniyakata, the last chapter. In this chapter, we did this. The two really is not come to Sri Lanka, yes, because it is come to Sri Lanka in the 4th century CE at the time of Mega Wana. Also, Anoma said that this chapter is before the level of the two release. So Buddha Wasa is the later war before the 4th century CE. The video Buddha Wasa in through Panaka sister of Sri Lanka. According to Sumekala Vilasini, there is a 4 Panaka, Tika Panaka, Mijima Panaka, Sauda Panaka, and Godra Panaka. The commentary states that this schema between Tika Panaka and Mijima Panaka, Kosanin, the Kodaka Kanta. Also, there are 80 categories of Panaka in Sri Lanka. 80 categories of Panaka in Sri Lanka. It is all include Kodaka Panakas. It is why at the region of King Buddha Kamani Abaya at the 349 Buddha eras, who faced the feminine desire. Kagami in the time of the king, 44 BC, also 29 to 70 BC. Overall, if the two groups of Panaka in Sri Lanka refer to the Panaka of Sri Lanka in the 1st century BC, the war Buddha Wasa is the war Buddha Wasa of Kodaka Kantas was proposed before the 4th Buddhist consent in the 1st century BC. This study is a study of the history of Buddha Wasa, but we review our support to the time of Buddha Wasa based on the study is based on literature. Literature is scholarly review. The 4 family are put on in this paper. The 4 days of Kataba were narrated, were written about the time century CE. It is too fun to relate to Buddha Wasa. The word Buddha Wasa is to the 2nd century BCE to and 3rd century CE, where we study based on scholarly review of Buddha Wasa. The way is preserved before the two relay can do Sri Lanka or before the 4th century CE, according to the last part of Buddha Wasa. And so finally, the war is heavy go before the 4th consent or the 1st century BCE, concerning the Panaka sister of Sri Lanka. Thank you, sir.
Based on my earlier reading of this presentation, this comprehensive presentation, so I consider it to be satisfactory for this purpose. Okay.
Yes. Thank you, sir.